Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Aaron and this is UX Crypto. How's everyone doing out there? I hope you're all good. So today I'm just going to be carrying on giving a bit of an update on what's going on in the UK with the inflation. So let's just quickly get straight into it. Last time I covered this it was 18%, which is really high, but now we're at 20%. And obviously that's pretty high, right? But we're just going to go into this a little bit more. So housing obviously seems to be quite high as well. So just from living in the UK and understanding people's concern, so the rental market is going nuts in terms of people trying to rent and not being able to find places. So then the price gets pushed up. So then obviously the prices are really high right now. The property market in terms of buying and selling, that's pretty flat, and apparently it's actually gone down. But then if you actually look on the sites, not really, right? You're seeing the same properties on there, but like they're not really going lower or anything like that. It's just the same, right? But rental market is nuts, right? So other ones to really look at as well as utilities, 85% now. So it was like 80% last time I showed you. It's gone up again. Yeah, this is definitely like true. As in, so for myself as a homeowner, I see this as well. So the cost of gas and electric is basically double. And yeah, obviously this can be a problem for many people. So let's just put this in perspective, right? What exactly does this mean for everybody? It means in the UK that we're going through a bit of a mad time and we need a potential solution for this, right? Because we've got other countries in the world that have a lot higher inflation as well. This is a worldwide problem, not just the UK. But obviously, if we look at the US now, from their stats, they seems to be going down. So if you look at their inflation rate, it was 11, now it's going down. So the question is, for anyone who lives in the US, if you're watching this video, please write a comment down below and tell us what's really going on. Like, because I'm telling you in the UK that what I can see, and love to know your own perspective on this. Like, can you see this? Is inflation going down? Can you see prices going down in the US? As in, let us know. I'd love to have a debate about this and just see what's really going on in the world, right? So I'm going to show you another chart, or stats you could say, which is really showing us this problem of inflation in the world. So I don't think a lot of people have really shared anything like this before, which is really just showing the actual problem throughout the world. So let's get into the charts real quick. So this site here is called Trading Economics, and just want to show you some of the problems with inflation, right? So it gets all the countries in the world and all the different inflation rates for them. So the only country what has like deflationary currency is South Sudan at the moment. So if you guys want to live in South Sudan, feel free, and maybe that problem there is solved, right? But in terms of the good inflation rate, obviously inflation is part of having a currency. We could probably put these countries in here. So we've got China, Hong Kong. Whether these stats are correct is a whole nother story, right? But we're getting to a point where we've only got a few, let's say 15 countries, where we're like, okay, that's not too bad. But let's go down the list, and this is where inflation gets really high, and everything's high right now, right? So we're gonna keep going and keep going. I'm just gonna keep going even further, and these are all the countries with high inflation, right? So this is a worldwide problem. And we're getting to 10% inflation now. Portugal, Germany, big countries, right? Jamaica, Uganda, United Kingdom, it says 10%, but I've just shown you real-time data, which is 20%, right? So this is questionable, right? But all of these countries, Russia, 12%. Russia's in a war right now, right? And then the UK has higher inflation than Russia. And let's just keep going, right? We'll go to the bottom, why not, right? So Zimbabwe, 255% inflation, Venezuela, 156, and obviously these countries are in disarray. 92% in Argentina. Everyone knows what's going on in Argentina right now. It's in disarray because of inflation. Turkey, well, obviously you can see, right? It's a massive problem. So what is the solution to this, right? Is there some sort of way we can solve and fix these things? Well, what if I told you that there's actually a technology what fixes inflation? As in, what would you say? Would you say, wow, this is amazing, right? As in, and what if I told you, you probably already know it already, right? And what is that technology? That technology is Bitcoin, right? Obviously, you know, this channel is a crypto channel and we're going to push this, right? Not just for that reason. This is the whole point of Bitcoin and why it exists. And obviously all these other layer 2s, Ethereum, Cardano, all these other things, they're just built on top of these things. But the original and the big boss of all these purposes of everything is literally Bitcoin, right? As in, why not really look at this for what it is, right? Rather than just thinking about, oh, you know, the price goes up and price goes down, but you're actually investing in a technology, as in, so from my perspective, this is something, you know, we should be doing. I'm investing it while I can, while the price is low. You can invest in it, and yeah, let me know what you guys think about that. You know, leave your comments below. If anyone US people in the chat watching, please feel free to leave a comment. I'd love to know your view. Please press subscribe to more of these type of videos, and like the video. Cheers, thanks again, guys.